How to change display name on Webex. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can change your display name on Webex. If you're wondering how you can change your display name, just ensure that you watch this video to the end. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Webex account, either your site or your application. So once you're logged in, just like I have here, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu and you'll see the options, profile, settings, and calendar. So our focus is on profile. So just go ahead and click on profile. So once you click on profile, you'll be brought to your profiles page. Now on this profiles page, you will see basic info by the right side of the screen, basic info, and then you'll see your profile picture, your first name, second name, display name, street name, etc. Okay, so the next thing for you to do, just scroll up, all right, and then under the display name option, just type the box here, like enter the box, click on the box where your display name is located, and then delete this way. Okay, so once you've deleted it, if this is the name, once you've deleted it, if you want to leave only a name, you can just leave it the way I have done here. But if you do not, and after you've deleted it, input the name that you want, and then once you've inputted it, the next thing for you is to click on save, which is found at the lower right corner of the box. All right, just click on it, and then your changes will be saved and your display name would be changed. Very simple right here. So this is how you can change your display name on Webex. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.